Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jordan, and it would be awesome if you stuck around and subscribed to my channel. So today I'm doing my current music favorites, and I decided I would switch it up a bit and do it Drive With Me edition, just because I think they're really entertaining and I like to watch them. So I'm just going to be going through the music that I've been listening to a ton and been loving lately. I know my music taste is not everyone's cup of tea, and to be honest, it's literally all over the place. I like all different genres, so just keep that in mind. I also just want to throw this out there that I can't do more than like 25 seconds of each song, or else I get copyrighted and then I can't show the video. I have all the songs listed in the description box if you guys want to check them out. If you hear any new bops you enjoy. Really quick before we get into the jams, make sure to follow all my social media. I will have them linked down below, as they always are. And without further ado, let's just hop right into it.
When I wake up in the morning, I roll up and count my money. I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy. All these bitches wanna have my baby. I'm so ballin'. Wavy like Beyonce on the surfboard. She can get it when she want it.
This is such a feel-good song.
Baby, I beg you, yeah. Eat from each scar upon my knuckle and each graze upon my knee. And all I know is I've got a cabin and through a bed. Baby, I beg you, yeah. Baby, I beg you, yeah. From girls I've never met, and in the pocket of my jeans there are only coins and broken dreams.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. 1, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in, you watch him kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules. Try to move and on, never make it past the front on. I should have fallen out of love with you by now. But I got a part, I got a piece, I got a heart permanently bound to you. Should have forgotten what I felt for you by now. Permanently bound to you.
Ah, I love this one. I love this one.
Would you ever run away with me? Would you ever take a chance with me? Would you ever take a leap for me? Would you You're the only one that makes me wait all the time. Oh yeah, blow my mind. Boom, boom, blow my mind.
You're the only one that makes me wait all the time. Oh yeah, you blow my mind. Boom, boom, blow my mind. You're the only one that gets under my skin. You're doing damage. Nobody's ever did. I made problems. We knew this thing wasn't built to last. Yeah, good on paper, picture perfect. I've been hoping somebody loves you in the ways I couldn't. Someone to love you, let me go. I've been hoping someone to love you, let me go.
Just tell me how you feel, tell me what you think. Why it's hard to sleep at night, there's nothing to fear now. Girl, we should be here now. Talk is overrated, let's just vibe. Love is overrated in my eyes. Out of the chill, I know you look to me, wonder how I deal.
You got everything, you got what I need. Touch me, you're electric, babe. Kiss me, we're on fire, babe.
Now, it's early in the morning, and I'm drinking, no, I'm driving, and I'm thinking, and I'm wildin', and I find myself pull up to your crib. I pick up my phone to see if you at home. What the hell
what is going on. Please don't drink and drive. Drink and drive. I made my destination, and I think I put in a good amount of songs. So if you guys want to see me do like a part 2 current favorite song, because I have a lot of songs that I've been like loving, but I couldn't fit them all in this video, let me know and I'll do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe down below, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!